Today, let's find and fix this native VLA mismatch. SW1 and SW2 are connected through an 802.1 Q trunk, but something is wrong. Start with Show Interfaces trunk. SW1 is using Native VLAN 99, while SW2 is using Native VLAN 1. There's our mismatch. A trunk should use the same native VLAN on both ends. On SW2, enter interface Fast Ethernet 0/1. Configure it as a trunk, then set the native VLAN to 99. Now verify again with Show Interfaces trunk. Perfect. The SW1 shows native VLAN 99. SW2 shows native VLAN 99, and the mismatch is gone. The trunk is clean and stable. Troubleshooting complete. Follow IT step by step for more hands-on networking labs.